Hi, grade 4. I'm Miss Iman Said from Learner's Teacher Iman channel. Today I will resume Unit 8 in your book Connect. Last class I start this unit by lesson 1 and lesson 2, and today I will continue lesson 3. But before I will go to do so, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel sending you new videos. Let's go to our lesson today. Before I will start lesson 3 today, I would like to make a quick revise about what we told last video. Last video, we talk about the quantifiers. We talk about packet of, and we know that packet of used with cookies, with candies, with candies. We use bottle of with water and milk. We use and lemonade. We use a pair for chocolate soup, and we use a slice for cake, pizza, and the meat. And we use a carton of juice and milk, and we use peas for cheese and bread. And we know the pronunciation CK that pronounced as K. Last class we know so, and we know some vocabulary like party, like only, maybe, of thirsty, will, all this we know it last video. Last video we talk about we have some vocab also we note here like slice that comes in as a verb and as a noun, and we know when we use it as a verb and as a noun. And also we talk about poem and know some vocab like poem, octopus, jellyfish, trip, last weekend, domyat, deep, lovely, dash, meal, yogurt, dessert, frozen, photos, again, soon, video, movie. And we know some conjugation of verbs, and we know the verbs that adding ed and verbs that change completely. We have some expression here we know it last video, which is by the sea, a day to remember, make into, tasted horrible, and so on. Last class we talk about the past simple with irregular verbs, and we know we know the verbs that irregular that we use it with past simple form, and we know as we know before that past simple is used for action, habit, and in the past, and we know how in question and negative form we use did and put the verb in the infinitive form. Let's go to lesson 3 today. Today we are talking about what? About in this part is called social studies. We talk about the celebrations of our the celebration in our life. Like what? Like here we have Eid al-Fitr, we have here sunset, we have Islamic months. Here is we call it in Arabic Shahr Hijri, but in English we say Islamic months. Kahk, Eid Mubarak. When we say someone congratulate someone for Eid, we say Eid Mubarak. Mosque, Sham Nisim, Coptic Easter. Here we have some vocabulary like festival, article, American. American is a nationality, but America is United States of America. America is a place, is a country, but American is a nationality. American here is a nationality. This is called nationality. Called a nationality. We say here America without A. We say here America here without A. We can't say not America. We say in informal. We say United States of America. This is the formal name of the country. United States of America. We say United States of United States of America. We can say United States of America. We can say United States of we can say Kingdom of Britain. Can say Kingdom of Britain. Okay, we say United States of America. Here is we have information: Muslim, Ramadan, until, different, Shawwal, sugar, honey, delicious. And I think we can return to the book to to grade 3 book. We know in second term we took the countries and nationals. You can revise it if you want to know more about this topic. Here we have information: Muslim, Ramadan, until, different, Shawwal, sugar, honey, delicious, nuts, bakery, celebration, and all this. Here we have conjunction verb. I will give you some of verbs that adding ed and others that changes completely, like celebrated, like wanted. Here we have teach, taught, think, thought. I don't say all the verbs because I know that you are know it. I give you samples of them to don't make the video longer. Okay. Here is we have is called. Here is some expressions and phrases, and as we know, grade 4 before that the expressions and phrases is important for us. Why? To write a paragraph. Okay, it's important for us to write a paragraph. Let's go to know more about this expression and phrases. Is called: during the day, think about, did well, do better, and spend time. Here we have some sentences. Let's know it together. Like Eid al-Fitr is a Muslim festival. Eid happens in the first day of 10th Islamic month called Shawwal. So Shawwal here in Islamic in months, it will be 10th. Okay, it will be 10th. The 12 months, it will be what? It will be Dhul Hijjah. The 12 months in Islamic months, it will be Dhul Hijjah. 10th month is Shawwal. Khat are delicious cookies. Okay, khat is our delicious cookies. People go to mosque and spend time with their friends. People go to mosque and spend time with their friends. Friends, I think, and friends and relatives also. Okay, let's go to another item. Here is this unit. Here we have. Here I would like to say a rule impact with that the names of days, months, and vacations must be written in capital letter. Like to say Eid al-Fitr written in capital letter, Shawwal written in capital letter, Ramadan written in capital letter. Eid al-Fitr, Ramadan, Shawwal, Kahk, Eid Mubarak, Sham al-Nisim. So these words that can be translated in English, written English and Arabic. You say Eid al-Fitr as Eid al-Fitr, Ramadan, Shawwal, Kahk, Eid Mubarak, Sham al-Nisim. Let's go to read the text and answer the question below. Here we have, I can find it out. People in other countries mainly celebrate Eid al-Fitr by spending time exchanging gifts and visiting friends and family. Eating sweets is also a common way of celebrating Eid al-Fitr. Eid al-Fitr, we say Eid al-Fitr in different places, okay? Eid al-Fitr in Egypt. We talk about Egypt as we live in the countries that we live in. Eid al-Fitr is a Muslim festival. The month before Eid is called Ramadan. In Ramadan, many Muslims fast during the day. Means don't take and don't eat and drink. Okay, this is the meaning of fast. Muslims fast during the day. This means they don't eat or drink until sunset. In the month of Ramadan, people think about the past year. They think about the things they did well and the things they want to do better. It's also a time to help other people. When Eid al-Fitr, so here I will ask about when, I ask about the time. That is a very good question. It's different every year. Eid happens in the first day of 10th Islamic month called Shawwal. The month starts when people see the new moon. Lots of kahk. Kahk are delicious cookies. People eat kahk to celebrate. They have nuts. Sugar. This is the nutrients or components. This is the components of kahk. It will be what? It will be nuts. It will be sugar and honey in them. Many families make kahk and but others buy it from bakery. Eid Mubarak. Eid is a time of celebration and for being happy. People say Eid Mubarak to their friends. People go to the mosque and spend time with their families and also families and relatives also. They eat delicious food and celebrate. Here we say, what is Eid al-Fitr? We'll talk about Eid al-Fitr. Eid al-Fitr is what, let's go to note. Eid al-Fitr is the Muslim festival. When we answer this question and you say Eid al-Fitr is what is Muslim festival, okay? How do people celebrate Eid al-Fitr? How they celebrate it? how they celebrate Eid al-Fitr. By what? By eating cake, by eating cake and by eating cake and one two by eating here we say how to celebrate celebrating by eat cake, by eat many families people eat cake to celebrate, and also they go to mosque and spend the time with their families. This is the celebration of Eid al-Fitr. Writing about a festival. In the exam, we can give you a paragraph about festival. Let's go to know how to write it. Okay. Here we say that we must write the sentence to describe the festival. Then write the ideas. Write the ideas like this. This is the ideas. Okay. In places like this. Then must take care of spelling, grammar, and punctuation. Let's see the sample of this formula of what we writing in the exam. Sham Nissim is Egypt's oldest festival. Here we talk about Sham Nissim. It comes the day after Coptic Easter. Okay, can say you can say you write about Sham Nissim. We can say you write about Eid al-Fitr. We can say for you write about Ramadan. So we must know everything, celebrate how we celebrate it. Okay. Right to say here Sham Nissim. Sham Nissim is different from Eid al-Fitr and Ramadan. Why? Because in this festival we have some special habits that we do. It's like what? Like eating certain fish and colored egg. This is different from what? From Eid al-Fitr. Here we have Sham Nissim is Egypt's oldest festival. It comes the day after Coptic Easter. Here we have a Sham Nissim, and we know when is it? What do people do? What do people eat? Why do like it? Okay, why do like? So here I ask about the reason that here I did. When is it? It comes the day after Coptic Easter. What do people do? People go to the parks and gardens with their families. What do they eat? Eat salted fish, onions, and also colored eggs. I like Sham Nissim because I always have picnics with my family, and we have a great time together, and to have great time together. Let's know more about, let's read the text related to this part. Sham Nissim is the oldest Egyptian festival. It comes the day after Coptic Easter. Children go to the parks and play. People go to gardens with their families. They eat salted fish, onions, and also colored eggs. I like Sham Nissim because I always have picnics with my family, and we have a great time together. Let's answer the question related to this part. Here we have Sham Nissim is the oldest what? Here is the oldest festival. I will write it here. Cake are delicious cookies. Space is a month of when Muslims fast. Month with Muslim fast, it will be Ramadan, as we as the month that we are in nowadays. Muslims pray in what? In mosque. Eid al-Fitr. Eid al-Fitr is a festival when we eat what? When we eat what? When we eat kah. When we eat kah. Okay. Let's go to another question here. Here we have people celebrate Eid al-Fitr in different ways. People say Eid. I say Eid what? Eid Mubarak. To their families and friends and family. People also go to the space, go to mosque, and spend time with what? With their families. They eat delicious food, and they eat cake too. Cake are delicious. Delicious what? Delicious cookies, as we know here. Let's continue the rest of the unit. Here we have a text and question below the text. I would like to give you a note, grade 4. You must read the text carefully before you answer the question, because we have a trick in the text. You must take care when you answer. Last weekend, we visited my grandparents in the village near Luxor. We went to celebrate Eid al-Fitr. We went to the mosque to pray and say Eid Mubarak to our friends. Grandma made delicious cake with nuts. It was really delicious. We ate a lot of cake and drank or juice. In the evening, we went to visit family members and close friends. It was a nice weekend. The message is about what? Here, message is about Eid al-Fitr. Delicious here, the active delicious. The opposite of delicious, it will be what? It will be here bad. This is the opposite. We say opposite, not meaning. Some meaning we say good. So here we say opposite. We say good. The opposite of the word. We'll say meaning. So I give you the same meaning of this word. It will be good if we say the same meaning. But here not the meaning. Here is the opposite. Let's continue the rest of the question related to this part. Here we say, what do people say in Eid al-Fitr? Say what? Say Eid Mubarak. What did they do in the evening? They do in the evening what? We visit family members and close friends. Here we have the punctuate. I would like to answer it. Here I underlined the wrong letters that I corrected here like this, and I put full stop at the end of the sentence. If I have a question, I put the question mark. I will leave the second word, the second sentence to do by yourself. Okay, let's go to another one here. Here we have writing a project. Here we have great grandma, picnic, Christmas tree. Here we have some vocab. Let's read it together. First day, special, party, cousins, aunt, uncle, huge, salad, bread, cookies, slice, putul, whole, countries, Christmas. Here we say Christmas, CH pronounced as K. Christmas. We say Christmas. We say Happy Christmas. New life. Here is new life. Here is lights. Here is color. Let's in this part we know more about Christmas tree. Okay, in this part. Okay. Here we have conditional verb. As we told you, we have verbs that add in ed and others add and other contingent completely, like what, like celebrated, like decorated. Here we have eat, ate, run, race, and so on. Let's go to the expression and phrases related to this part. Here we have 2 years ago, come together, lots of, all afternoon, had fun. Let's go to the writing part here in this part. Here we say grandma's birthday. Here is also for you add a paragraph here. Here we say what is the special day, who was at the party, what did the writer eat and drink, what did the writer do, why do it a special day. This is the steps that we put it to read the text. Here we say what was the special day. 2 years ago, we had a very special party. My grandma was 90 years old. Who was at the party? So here I asked about the persons are in the party. All my family came together to celebrate. All my cousins, aunts, and uncles came. We had a huge picnic in my aunt's garden. There was lots of food, salad, meat, fish, bread, cakes, cookies, and fruit. What did the writer eat and drink? I ate a big slice of chocolate cake. Here is say chocolate cake. You can say, some of you saying, Miss Ivan will know from the lesson that chocolate must be the quantifiers of the chocolate must be pair, not slice. But here we say no, here is not chocolate. Here is saying chocolate cake. So slice here is the suitable word for this part of the cake. Okay, say slice of cake or say slice of meat. Okay, this is the when we talk about quantifiers of food. Okay, and drink a bottle of on juice. I also ate a salad and fruit. Let's go to next paragraph. Paragraph 2. 2 years ago, we had a very special party. My grandma was 90 years old. Who was at the party? So here we ask about the persons are in the party. All my family came together to celebrate. All my cousins, aunts, and uncles came. We had a huge picnic in my aunt's garden. There was lots of food, salad, meat, fish, bread, cakes, cookies, and fruit. What did the writer eat and drink? I ate a big slice of chocolate cake. Here is say chocolate cake. So slice here is the What did the writer do? I played games with my cousins all afternoon. We ran, we threw a pool, we sing happy birthday to our grandma. What is it special? Why was it a special day? It was a special day because our grandma was very happy. She liked seeing the whole family. We all had fun. Why was a special day? So here we say this is the answer of this question. It was a special day because our grandma was very happy. She liked seeing the whole family. We all had fun. Who at the party? Let's know who at the party. Here is the answer of this question. All family came together to celebrate. All my cousins, aunts, and uncles came. Let's go to another one, to another item here. Here we have the project. Let's learn this project together. Here we have, in many countries, people decorate Christmas trees at Christmas. These trees are always green. These trees are always what green? I think green because the green means life. I think so. I think we select the green color because the green refers to the life and and refers to the plant, and the plant means life. Okay. The trees represent new life. So here I think as we think that it's correct. We say new life. People decorate the tree with lights, colored balls, and stars. Let's go to the rest of this text. What color are Christmas tree? Color of Christmas tree. What color of Christmas tree? It will be green here. Green. What do Christmas trees represent? Represent what? Representing new life. Because years went and another years come, okay, and years the year went and another year come, okay. So we say here the new life. Let's go to answer the question below this part. My grandma birthday was a space day. Was what was here a special day, as we know here in the text. The Christmas tree represented new life without thinking. We had a huge picnic. You are clever people. I'm listening to say clever pick. We say Iman huge picnic. You are clever people. We space happy birthday to our grandma. We say we what we hear. We ate. We sang. We decorated. Or we celebrated. We celebrated. We celebrated happy birthday to our. We celebrated. We celebrated. We'll celebrate happy birthday to our so no not celebrated. We sang I'm wrong here. We sang happy birthday to our mother, not celebrate, sang. Let's go to another one here. Here we have, let's go to another question here. I'm Mark. I live with my family in a big house in London. We space Christmas. We celebrate. We celebrate. We get a big space tree. We get a big green tree. Here the order of the adjective size. Then the color is also refers to adjectives. Okay, I must know this. We decorate the tree with what? With lights. As we know here. Lights colored ball. It's my space time. It's my time in year. It's my favorite. Time in year. My favorite time. I will leave this to do it by yourself. I answer one of them. I would like to say summarize the passage in 2 sentences. We can say here Eid al-Fitr as is a Muslim festival, or we can celebrating of Eid al-Fitr. Both are correct in this question. Okay, I will leave this to do it by yourself. Here we have the punctuate. What can I do it? I underline the letter and I write it in capital letter. Let's go to the last part here in this unit. In this unit, we talk about quantifiers like pocket of cookies, pair of chocolate, carton of juice, bottle of water, a slice of cake, a piece of cheese. Here is the irregular verbs. I would like to keep it. We have here buy, bought, fly, flew, hear, heard, give, gave, say, said, and so on. Here we talk in the part of social studies about Egyptian festivals, talk about Eid al-Fitr, and we talk about Sham al-Nisim. What is it? Eid al-Fitr is a Muslim festival. It happens in the first day of 10th Islamic month, Shawwal. They eat lots of kahk and say Eid Mubarak and go to mosque and spend time with their families. It's the oldest Egyptian festival. This Sham old Egyptian festival. It comes day after Coptic Easter. People celebrate it by eating fish and colored eggs, and they have picnics with their families. Here is the part of writing the vocab. I will leave it to do it. Here we have the writing time. I would like we have some paragraphs. Let's learn it together. Here we went to Hannah's birthday party last week. There was a lot of food to eat. When we talk about the birthday party, we talk here during the lesson. We talk about grandma birthday. We talk about Sham al-Nisim. We talk about here's also we talk about birthday also. So we know how to celebrate in different celebrations, different celebrations, and how to celebrate it. Okay. Here we went to Hannah's birthday party last week. There was a lot of food to eat. I had 2 slices of cake and carton of juice. My friend Lara had a pocket of cookies and a bottle of milk. Sham al-Nisim is the oldest Egyptian festival. It comes the day after Coptic Easter. People go to the parks with their families to celebrate it. They eat salted fish and colored eggs too. Salted fish, as we know in Arabic, fisir or ringa and so on. This is called salted fish. Okay. Yesterday was my grandma's birthday party. My whole family came to celebrate. I had 2 slices of birthday cake and a carton of juice. We played games and sang many songs. It was a special day. It was a special day to remember. Okay. Here I answer some of them, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Here we say drink a space of juice. Here we say drink what? Drink a carton of juice. I eat space here, a slice of pizza. Many Muslims take in what? In Ramadan. Okay. I answer some of them, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as a homework. Okay. I would like to do this exercise with you. Here we have last. So what can I do here? I can say here, where did? Why it was did? Because we have last here. I put 2 pairs, not 2 pairs, 2 pairs. It will be 2 pairs. Why pairs, Miss Iman? Because here we say 2 and more than 1, it will be having us. We celebrated and sang songs. Okay. Here we have drank. Okay. In this question, what can I do? I underline the wrong letter and I correct it as it is. Okay. I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. I hope to enjoy today from our video, and I hope to benefit from me from this video. Thanks a lot until you meet again. Thanks a lot until you meet again. Goodbye. Next class, next video, I will start Unit 8. Thanks a lot until you meet again. Goodbye.